In activity 4.04, I'll demonstrate appending records to a table. Notice I saved off the 0A 4A city directory. I renamed it last name, first name, 4A city directory in typical fashion. Now, what I want to do is I want to create an employees database for the whole city. Now notice in here I've got the city council members. Those two people are employees, Marla and Jackson. And I have a different table for fire department employees, Samuel and Priscilla. And as you can imagine, other departments within the city may be maintaining their own employee lists. And our task is to create an employee table for the whole city by gathering up these different departmental employee tables and merging them into one. So I'll start with city council members, and I'll copy and paste, and that will become the basis of our employee table. So I'll say 4A employees, and I'll take structure and data since this is the first time we're creating the employees database. That way Marla and Jackson will get carried along. And now when I look at my employees table, I have Marla and Jackson in there. Okay, let me close these objects down. Now, I've created employees. I've copied the council members in here. Now I want to copy the fire department employees in here without clobbering the information that's already there. So this is where I'm going to use the append option. So I'll select fire department employees and say copy. I'll paste. I get the paste table as dialog. And now, instead of a new file name or table name, I'm going to use an existing table name, that being 4A employees, which is the target table. And rather than saying structure and data, I'm going to say append data to an existing table. 4A employees, 4A employees. So the two fire department employees are going to get copied into the employees table. I'll say OK. And when I open up fire department, you see, okay, Samuel and Priscilla, that's who we expect to see in employees. So I open up employees, and now I have Samuel, Marla, Priscilla, and Jackson. Okay, so that is how you would append records to an existing table. And if you had 10 or 15 more department level employee tables, you could add all of those into this single employee table. That's the end of this activity.